Crystal Palace is one of London's best football clubs, and when they sign you, it's serious business. Like it is for Hayley Nolan.
I obviously had a conversation with the head coach at the time, and I kind of fell in love with the club when I came to visit. You know, the infrastructure, the facilities here are second to none, so yeah, it was a no-brainer for me.
The club also signed these two Irish players who take their job very seriously. I said very seriously. Okay, can you at least introduce yourselves then?
Hi, I'm Izzy.
Hi, I'm Abbie. Oh my god. I'm sorry.
This is going nowhere. On to the good stuff. Striker Isabel Atkinson was signed to Crystal Palace in 2021 and made her debut for Ireland at just 16.
It was 7 years ago, and I still remember running on the pitch against Norway, and I just felt like I was flying like on a kite. Like running on that pitch, I knew how much that meant to me even now.
Abbie Larkin joined Crystal Palace at the same time last year, just after becoming the youngest player ever to represent Ireland in a World Cup game.
Obviously, going at my age was a dream. As soon as I stepped onto the pitch, it's kind of like white noise where like I didn't really notice anyone around me. It's just me playing the game.
All three women are more than happy to call this Palace home.
Had a really successful season last year, and it's a great club, great values, and you know, it's only going to go up from here.
Making the move to a big city like London was made easier by the fact that the girls had each other.
I was the only Irish woman on the team, but obviously when Izzy and Abbie signed, it was great. You know, it's like kind of like a taste of home almost, so it's nice to have them here, and hopefully we could bring in some more in the future.
It's special, obviously, because through the good and bad, like you always have your Irish girls, which is, you know, their family.
Mum and Dad love it when they come over. My dad just goes in by himself and just walks around everywhere.
Hi! Yeah, we're like best friends. Sure, we have our own apartment together now. She's like my little sister though. Like she annoys me sometimes too.
It's like that little sisterly bond. I think, you know, we always fight with each other now and like have little arguments here and there, but it's a bit more homey when I've got my best friend here too.
Well, we have the perfect thing for two best friends. A little game of this or that.
Irish fans or English fans?
Irish.
Top of the bus or back of the bus?
Back.
Early bird or night owl?
I feel like I'm both. Morning kick-off or evening kick-off?
Evening kick-off.
Oasis or Blur? What's Blur?
I'm gonna say Oasis. They sing Wonderwall, right? Yeah.
Walk slow or walk fast? You're a slow walker.
Yeah, probably slow.
Ireland or Crystal Palace uniform?
Ireland.